A local doctor is turning hospital rooms into something a little less clinical and a lot more personal.
At Dell Seton Medical Center, one palliative care physician is helping families reconnect with memories during some of their hardest moments. And KVUE's Michael Courier joins us once again in our studios with how music is changing care one song at a time. Hi, Michael.
Yeah, good morning. It's called ATX-VINyL, a bedside music program at Dell Seton that's transforming hospital rooms into spaces filled with familiar songs, shared stories, and sometimes even dance parties. Inside Dell Seton Medical Center, a record player sits on a rolling cart, stacked with everything from classic country to 70s rock. Dr. Tyler Jorgensen, an assistant professor at Dell Medical School, tells me he started ATX-VINyL to bring comfort to patients facing serious illness.
Is that we're an extra layer of support for patients who are going through something really hard. What that means is if you have a patient who may have a terminal diagnosis or just something really hard to manage, but a metastatic cancer, an advancing dementia, Parkinson's disease, things that can become really challenging as they advance. You think you could have a record?
And Dr. Jorgensen told me years ago he was struggling connecting with a patient and decided to ask him if he wanted to listen to a song together, which then inspired the record player idea.
Like, we developed this connection, me and this patient, and then he really was able to open up and talk about sort of his life story, his illnesses that he was dealing with, the challenges, and it just sort of a light bulb went off for me at that moment.
Today, VINyL volunteers deliver the cart about a dozen times a week, reaching a couple dozen patients. Dr. Jorgensen says that music doesn't just ease anxiety and pain, it reminds everyone in the room of the person behind the patient. And now people can help grow that record collection. Waterloo Records is hosting a VINyL drive now through March 1st for the ATX-VINyL program at Dell Seton Medical Center, all to support bedside music therapy for patients who need it most. In studio, Michael Courier, KVUE News.